So hello, it is actually Friday evening. I've had nothing vlog worthy all day because I've actually been filming a video. My old English things arrived, so I filmed an unboxing, which they didn't ask me to do, I just wanted to because I've not done an unboxing on my channel before. And I have my softbox lights set up for a mini self-portrait shoot that I just did for this mug, which is the cutest thing, and my favourite thing, that little yay banner over there. And I'm really hoping some of them look good, so I'm gonna have a look, because obviously when you're shooting yourself it's different. So I went for the comfy in bed, not wearing much apart from a blanket kind of deal. But yeah, I've got a couple of other bits and bobs that I need to shoot, but they're going to have to wait because my mum's out, and two of them were for my mum and I would have to shoot with her, and it's now dark outside, so I'm going to have to wait for some daylight. I'm going to have to get up early tomorrow and do them because tomorrow is my, I always want to say niece, she's not actually my niece, my cousin Rose's birthday party. It's her birthday today, she just turned 5. If you watched my Easter weekend vlog, you will remember her, shining star that she is. So we're going to her birthday party tomorrow, which I'm really excited about, so I'll bring you along there. Probably won't vlog much because, you know, kids' birthday party, but she likes taking pictures and videoing with me and stuff, so I'll probably do a little bit just for her. I had a real nice day, and today I published a blog post about my favourite Netflix shows that are on at the minute, which probably won't get many views, but I love it when people recommend TV to me, so hopefully some people will find it useful. I really, really badly need to dye my hair, I realised today. But yeah, this week I finished my sewing and all of my shoots for my degree show, which is beyond exciting. I am so happy, like, with the images and with my sewing, and I think I've just outdone myself. I'm so proud. I'm so excited for, like, I think it's June, 15th of June, when my exhibition show will be on. So it'll probably be like the day or two after that I publish my vlog from my entire exhibition process, because I have a lot of footage and it's going to take me a long time to edit, but I want to include a clip of the actual exhibition installation, so that'll be that. I'm so excited. Everything's just going really well, which is, well, it's Friday the 13th today, so I was expecting something to go wrong, but it's all good. And yesterday I got my student finance text, so it should be here by Monday. But I am going back to Sunderland on Sunday, which I am gutted about, but it'll be nice to see Sam and to be in my flat for a bit.
Is that your room?
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
What the fuck?
I know!
That's actually fucking sick.
Doesn't it look so good? I'm so happy.
You can't even tell that it's your room though as well.
Mate, I had a right setup going on.
Yeah. Like, where's all the shit?
Well, it's just my bed. I'm sat on my bed.
Yeah, they actually look really fucking good.
I'm so happy. Also love that you call me mate when you're complimenting my photos.
Nice.
But yeah, which one do you reckon I should post on Instagram, or all of them?
Yeah, fuck it, all of them.
Fuck it.
Yeah, all of them. They all look really fucking good.
Honestly, I took about 300. And I edited more. I can send you the rest of them as well, but those are the ones that I saved on my phone.
Yeah.
Let me just forward you them.
I like the one in the dressing gown.
I did too, but I thought it stuck out a bit because the rest of them aren't. I'll put it on my stories or something anyway.
Yeah, I like the 4 that you've chosen. The other ones are really good as well, but I think the ones that you've chosen are the best ones.
I honestly don't ever think I've done a shoot and had that many successful ones from it, especially self-portrait one.
You did yourself right?
Yeah, and it was 10 shots at a time.
Right. Yeah, very well done.
Thanks. Do you think they're like homely enough but also like pretty enough?
Yeah.
Because that's my vibe.
That That's your jam.
That's my jam.
It's not jam.
Isn't this the most perfect apple you have ever seen? I am so excited to eat you. Also, some of my pictures came out absolutely banging, and because I edited too many on my laptop, I'll show them on my phone. Because they'll be, well, some of them will be up on Instagram by now. So, I don't want to compare what I look like right now to this. So, here is every single image that I edited. And I am pretty damn impressed with how well I made my bedroom wall look. That's one of the ones that I will be posting on Instagram. I love it. And that one, I really like that one. My highlighter looks like I've edited on. And these ones are a little bit raunchier. And gotta get the tats in there somehow. But yeah, I just love them so much. That was the one. It's Saturday morning, afternoon, and we're on our way to Rose's 5th birthday party with the cutest little present. It's called Freckles. I love him. Very cute. And I have attempted to put my makeup on in the car, and I got base and eyeshadow and about a third of my eyebrow. I can't do anymore, it's really hard. But are you excited? Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Painting. I am excited for face painting. Are we doing it ourselves or is someone there to do it?
There to do it.
Really? Oh, that's so fancy.
Make me look like Deadpool!
Oh my god, Dad, please get Deadpool face paint. Please, I'll be so upset if you don't.
Yeah, I think you should.
I'm not getting red painted on my face, it'll never come off. I've got a small present for right now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? He's called Freckles.
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 Is it this one?
Yes. If you open it, it says his name in there. Here on the top.
Freckles.
Freckles. You're just going to put him there.
Do you want to do this unicorn or this unicorn?
Oh, can I do this one?
Yeah. I quite like this one.
That is a good one.
I could be the mummy and that could be the baby.
Yeah, I'll colour in the baby. Look at this balloon. Oh. Oh no.
This is the dip in the box.
Oh, what does that mean? Is that like a party bag?
Yeah, and these are the horns to go on there.
To go on the unicorn?
Yeah. They should be stuck to here.
Yeah.
So everybody could...
Grab a horn?
Yeah. Mine's going to be the beautifulest lady. Fred goes over there.
Yeah, just put him up so you can watch. We're colouring in now. Is she your best friend?
Yeah.
Am I not your best friend?
You're my bestie.
Am I your bestest friend? Are you going to come and give your bestest friend a cuddle then?
Yeah.
Here. Let me see. Hello. Look at my hair. Doesn't look bad. You've got glitter on.
Two granddaughters coming together.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, blow! More! More! Yay!
Mag in the front.
Crayons, some of them are empty. Oh, my hair looks really bad all day.
What's this?
Your hair?
That?
Your hair? Where's he going? Okay. We have just finished building the Disney castle with the bed and curtains.
Now we need to do
The couch is in, I think this is a couch in the wrong place. Bath. Got an oven. I don't know what this is.
It's a game, Rose.
Fireplace, magic carpet and everything. What are you putting on?
Can you help me get around?
Yeah, 1 second. I just want to film the back. Because this is a wonder. I am so proud.
Does this one sit?
Say hello through the window, Rose. Say hello through the window.
Hello.
Hello! Oh, look at that.
Hold that up.
Sun.
Oh, just slide that down.
It looks nice there, doesn't it?
And then let go.
What a lovely day we've had. Have you enjoyed pulling off your first town hall party?
First and last.
First and last. It was good though.
Stressful.
There was a Macarena
Got
involved.
half a bottle per second.
And that's half what you'll need to get through the rest of this evening. Yes? She's just playing now, cool. At least we did our job.
You've done an amazing job.
I'm very proud that we got it done that quickly.
You're wobbling it.
Sorry.
Dad, you wobbling it. Do you like it then?
Yeah.
good?
Can you help me do this tiny?
We've got to go.
I know, but I want you to help me do the tinies.
Where are the tinies going?
I want you to put the tinies.
I'll do it. Where they go?
But I want you to tell me where they go.
Okay.
Here's a table.
You can put them wherever you like. What do you just stand on?
A Rice Krispie.
Yeah.
Right, okay, I'm going now. Can you give me a cuddle, please?
Oh, but I'm finishing this.
I know, but I really need to go pick up Auntie Stephen. Thank you. I'm just going to do some carrot and play with your stuff now. Happy birthday. You're welcome.
You open this?
Yeah. There you go. Bye. Bye. Oh, what time is it now? 10:15. I drove all the way home. 2 hours from Nottingham, motorway driving and all that. Now have noodles. And Stephen now has his correct pizza. Oh yeah, I went to pick him up.
It's got cheese on it.
Look at his new haircut. Doesn't he look handsome? And now it has got cheese on it. They gave him it without cheese on because they're mean.
That's a pizza without cheese. It's bread and tomato, isn't it? Shit.
Yeah. But he won't let me watch Emperor's New Groove. So I'm sad. Meanie. And then I've got back and I'm going back to Sunderland tomorrow. Madness. Madness. My glitter tat is still going strong. You like it, don't you?
It's swag. Food.
Bye, Stephen, all the way over there, about to turn the corner.
And followed by Steve, which is quite funny.
Bye. And Steve. Bye, Steve.
Bye, Stephen.
Bye, neighbour Steve.
Steve.
Steve and Steve. It is 1:45 and we are go. Thundercats are go.
As our Thunderbirds, Thunderbugs, and can't think of any other thunders.
Thundercats, Thunderbugs, Thunderbirds are go. Yay. And we're going to listen to some better music than this.
You can be DJ.
I'm going to DJ. I think for the first time ever I've actually remembered to bring everything home. And it's very hot.
It is, it's 14 degrees,
Oh my god.
which is nice. Batman may be able to return.
That's when Batman's up. Underneath his jumper.
I've got my jumper on over my Batman t-shirt.
So Batman will be able to
So
return.
Batman may return. You can love me and leave me to die.
Okay, so just to catch up a little bit, my vlogging camera got left in the car after I'd driven here to Sunderland. There's a really gross spider on the outside of my window. I hope it's on the outside. I wonder how many times I've said that in a vlog. Fucking tons of gross spiders. Basically, my dad got this camera out of my handbag to vlog us singing Panic at the Disco's version of Bohemian Rhapsody, and he just didn't put it back. So then we were getting everything out of the car. This camera had slid underneath the passenger seat. Didn't see it, didn't think to pick it up, and until I went to vlog me opening my purse when I got back, realised it was gone. And instead of like recording on something else like my phone or my DSLR, I decided to just vlog Tuesday, which is today, instead. So I went all of Sunday, Monday without vlogging, which is 2 of the days out of my weekend vlog. So I thought I would vlog today, Tuesday, so happy Tuesday morning, to make up for that. But I am finally gonna dye my hair, because this is the worst I've ever let it get. It's so bad, but I've just been too busy. And then we're going to be shooting some blog photos. I'm going to be shooting them with Gemma, because she asked yesterday if she could take some for me, and I was like, yeah, that sounds fun. Then we're going to go to Primark, and then to Lambton Worm, because I want a Linda McCartney veggie burger. But let's show you my purse, which is what I wanted to do on Sunday. There's only 2 things, but it's exciting, and it was 2 things I wasn't expecting. So first up is this t-shirt from ASOS, which I completely forgot about because I ordered it a million years ago when they were doing, it was something to do with independent designers, and like they'd paid them for their art but then sold the t-shirts for really cheap, so it was like distributing the art. The artists still getting paid, but ASOS were like making it more accessible for everybody. And this one, Ambivalently Yours, it says here, and I don't know if that's the name of the design or the artist or what, but I just thought this was absolutely adorable. Real like Valkyrie vibes. I need to stop saying vibes all the time, it's not good. And then this little envelope, which I did find out I was getting when I last spoke to Jess, because she'd done this print, and of course it's Alice in Wonderland, so I was like, holy fucking shit, that's incredible. And she was like, oh, just send me your address, I'll send you it. What? And I completely forgot it was coming, but here it is, and it's absolutely freaking gorgeous. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. And there's a little note in it as well that I want to read because it's sweet. Hope this brightens your day, Meg. Love, Jessica. Yes, it is just a very simple note, but she hoped it brightened my day, and it did. So, especially considering I was so pissed off that I left my vlogging camera in the car. I was waiting to open my post until I got it back, but I was like, nah. The post might cheer me up because I'm missing my camera. Another thing that I got delivered yesterday was Amazon Prime 2-hour delivery groceries. And I bought, I think they're over there, I bought 24 cans of Pepsi Max. Hello. And I also bought, it leaked, this laundry pile. So there's detergent, softener, and then these, which I keep seeing people talk about. But because this came as a bundle, I thought I might as well try it, because it was like £11 or something for all 3 of these. And it's the stuff that smells nice when you put it in your washing, which usually I don't see the point in. But our washing machine is fucking gross and smells vile. So I thought, if I'm going to try them, I might as well try them in a really gross washing machine, see if it makes a difference. And my laundry doesn't smell like those, but it has counteracted the gross washing machine smell. So I'm very happy with that. And I finally washed my joggers that I've been living in for the past, like, year, which is nice. But they actually fit me again now. I had worn them so much they had grown, like 3 sizes. But I'm going to wear my new Primark jeans that I'm obsessed with. I got some blue jeans, me and blue jeans. And probably that t-shirt, because it's really nice. Figure out some shoes. And I did do a little bit of shopping online because my student loan came in. I'll be doing a haul, high street drugstore haul, Superdrug. I spent £35, but I got like a fuck ton of stuff, and I got 2 makeup-y bits from Boots. I'll be picking those up tomorrow, so I'll be filming the haul, probably to go up on Friday. But I'm also going to be going into Primark, and I have been collecting a couple of bits from Primark over the past couple of months. So I might do a Primark haul as well, depending on how much stuff I get. But I did also buy all my really important stuff first. So I paid my rent, and I've set aside money for 3 months worth of bills. So April, May, June, and I might put some away for July as well. For my gas and electric, phone bill, laptop insurance, Adobe, Spotify, all of that kind of stuff that I pay for. And the most painful part was spending £200 on 6 frames for my exhibition. I also spent £45 on my printing paper. What else was there? Oh, and I also bought a floppy disk reader, which I'm really, really excited about, because I don't know if I've spoken about it or not, but I found a camera that my dad either bought or found and gave to me years ago. And it's a digital camera, but it takes floppy disks, like it doesn't take SD cards. And I'm really hoping, it's like 2 megapixels, so I'm hoping it's like a digital Polaroid, so everything will come out like real 90s. So I'm hoping to shoot on that, do something cool. I also ordered a teddy bear coat from eBay, because my angel friend Jazz was wearing one when we shot last week. and I really wanted it, and she said she got it from eBay, so so I'm hoping that all arrives soon, like this week. That'll be nice. And yeah, I'm trying to be responsible with this lot because this is my last ever student loan. Crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna go dye my hair now, or eat first, I don't know. Either way. Like, what colour is this? It looks like green. Oh dear me. Dear me, dear me, dear me. I have missed you. Oh yeah, one last thing before I go dye my hair. This is the box that my camera arrived in. Thank you, Dad. It says cheaper than a skip, potty eating, Donald Hanscombe, a wild Donald Hanscombe, Taylor Swift versus Keith Richards, The Good, the Great and the Bonkers, Six Nations briefs, Beautiful but Bonkers with a picture of a cat. And then it was, my camera was in my mum's new phone box. I have no idea how it fit in there. It seems so small. And then all of that newspaper. Absolute angels. It came very safe. Thank you, Mum and Dad. Some post arrived. Again, I'm excited. And some scissors. I think it's my floppy disk reader. And I made sure the camera was charged and that the floppy disk was working. Because I'm going to take it out with me today. Here it is. Excited. Yes. Yep. Floppy disk reader. It was under a tenner. So, happy days. See what I can create with that. I'll show you the camera actually whilst it is the topic of discussion. This is it. It is 2 megapixels. 2. Lens cap. And it actually has a digital screen on the back. Have a look at this. Look. It's me. That's so weird. But yeah, it's actually pretty damn exciting. You need to push that and then that. And there it is. Floppy disk. I am a child of the 90s. I don't know why this is so exciting for me. That is why it's so exciting for me, because it's like nostalgic. My god. The charger for this thing is bulky as well. And it actually does videos, so I might try and do like a vlog clip of it. On it. Ooh, not stable. But yes, I am excited. I'm going to use it today. Also, I'm wearing yellow eyeshadow. Pretty. The hair is dyed. Thank goodness. I am feeling like my hair's long, but my colour's back. I'm so happy. And I've been able to put this earring back in for the first time in a long time because I forgot to bring it back to Hull for Easter. So thankfully it's still pierced. But I take it out when I go to sleep because it's uncomfortable. But I'm going to get the metro to go and meet Gemma, which for me is terrifying because 1, I don't ever get the metro on my own. 2, I would always walk everywhere. Like, I do always walk everywhere, unless obviously I have the car and I'm back in Hull. But, yeah. I just don't really fancy walking for 40 minutes to then do more walking and then walk back again. Because walking 40 minutes when you're with someone else is great. Walking 40 minutes when you're on your own, and I'm pretty sure I've lost my earphones, is not great, especially when I'm carrying 3 cameras, because I'll be carrying this one, my Canon, and that, is it Sony? Yeah, the floppy disk camera. But I don't know. Hopefully I'm gonna have a really nice day. Can't stop faffing with my hair. It's really nice to have it all clean and coloured. I'm Gemma. I did the metro all on my own. I'm very proud of myself, but we do have 8 murals down this street, and I don't know why. They're yellow. Thank you. But yeah, I don't know why we haven't thought to shoot here before, because there's 8 fucking murals. There's more than 8. And a Lidl over there. So, and there's a big Tesco right here. But still, I'm excited. But it is raining. and windy, so yeah, it might not be our best work, but we're going to try anyway. You're not even paying attention. Where are you? Where are you?
The windswept look.
That's what we're going for. Windswept and interesting. Yeah, so should I. It literally started raining as I got on the metro. So. Where the lamp and worm. Food time. She's getting a burrito. Getting a veggie burger. This is such an ugly shank.
I know, it's awful. Because Weatherspoons stopped doing burritos.
So this is why this pub is better than the spoons it used to be. Because now it does veggie food and burritos.
Still an ugly animal.
I know. Flattering. The Primark shopping didn't go very well, did it? So you did. You got a good few things.
No, I want to have 2 clothes.
I tried on 8 items of clothing. I didn't like any of it. But I did buy new bedding and a pair of pyjamas, which I wanted to buy from the Hull store but put back. But I got them now. What did you get? Eyelash girl. I'm so chuffed about that light box. She got a cinematic light box. It's really cool. It's got like light bulbs all around it. Yeah, I want to see the size of it. Right, get the glare, get the glare. Massive. Oh, and you got some really nice trousers as well. She got some really nice sporty trousers. It worked with the bag. You've got it.
I think that's a good idea.
No. We're really full now. I want a nap. You awake? I'm so tired. Full though. In a good way. Am I keeping you up?
Yeah. The thing is, I'll probably just go home and eat crusts.
Oh yeah, me too. That's the whole. This is the basis of mine and Gemma's friendship. Crisps. Yeah, food. Crisps are food. And primer. And the Greatest Showman.
It's Tuesday, we should just go see that again.
It's still in cinemas, you know. Dirk's on who? I have done a food shop. It is pretty much all carbs and I'm going to show you what I got. Lots of bagels. One to go in the freezer, one to go in the cupboard. I also got some fancy croissants for breakfast. And a wonderful garlic bread. These are lovely, by the way. Tesco. Some crisps, squares and hula hoops. Some honey nut cornflakes. And cauldron sausages. Best vegetarian sausages available anywhere. Celery. Pre-cut because it lasts long. And bananas. Because I'm in a yellowy mood today and because I really like bananas. So it is the moment of truth. Let's see if anything good happened on this floppy disk. So my floppy disk reader arrived this morning. So time for the moment of truth. I have my laptop right here. Now let's see. I'm so full from the pub dinner. My laptop's been really slow as well. So, plugged in. Let's just see. If it's going to read. So far nothing. It made a noise. It's on. Can you hear that? It's come up. Devices. There's photos there, there's JPEG files there. I want to see what kind of quality they are. This is so exciting. Like, I'm hoping they look really cool. They could not be in focus, they could just be really bad. But I don't care because the camera is fucking cool. Okay. Let's have a look. My god, the photo quality is terrible! Oh my god, it's so bad. That was quite cool though. So weird. This is so weird. Let's see if you can tell just how bad quality that is. It's insane. Like, I kind of want to use them anyway because cool idea, but can you see that? Like the background, it looks fine, but I'm like, look at that. It's so weird. Can you stop being so noisy, please? So I can imagine that I will use that camera again, but more likely for landscapes and stuff, not portraits, because people don't look so great. Like, my clothes look fine, it's my face. It looks so strange. It's like, I'm really, really interested and quite fascinated by it. And I will be using it for just like other pictures that are portraits, which is very rare for me to do, but I'm happy I've got this camera. It's crazy. My god. It's so funny. And there's a really ugly selfie of me and Gemma right here. Ain't that a beaut? But I'll end the vlog there. I've had a wonderful weekend plus Tuesday. Yeah, I hope the vlog has been nice for you to watch. And I'm going to spend the rest of the evening editing it out, so hopefully it will still come up on a Tuesday. Hopefully, because Tuesday is my upload day. But yeah, I'll see you next week.